welcome back. Let's do question 10C. It is given that probability of A is equal to X, probability of B is equal to 0.6 plus X, and then probability of A and B is equal to 0.36 minus X, or A intersection B. Okay, this you can replace this with and. If the events of A and B are independent, find the value of X. Right, we know that for independent events we have the multiplication rule, which says probability of A and B. Remember, say this is also intersection. Probability of A and B is equal to probability of A times probability of B. If the events are independent, then probability of A and B is equal to probability of A times probability of B. Okay, probability of A and B is 0.36 minus X is equal to probability of A, which is X, and then times probability of B times 0.6 plus X. Right, let's distribute the X here. So it becomes 0.36 minus X is equal to 0.6X plus X squared. Right, let's write our standard form. X squared plus 0.6X plus X. I'm bringing this one this side. So it's plus X, then minus 0.36 after bringing 0.36 to the right. Right, so if 0 is equal to X squared, and then plus 1.6X minus 0.36. Right, we can factorize this. We can factorize this, but I think the quadratic formula would be faster. Okay, so we can use the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all this over 2a. Then we do the substitution. X is equal to negative 1.6 plus or minus the square root of 1.6 squared minus 4, and then a is 1, coefficient of x squared is 1 there, and then c is negative 0.36. All this divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. Okay, we can put this in the calculator. We'll get that x is equal to 0.2, or x is equal to negative 9 over 5. Alright, we discard this. It's not applicable. We cannot get a probability of negative, which is negative. Remember, probability scale is from 0 to 1, or 0 to 100% if you talk about percentages. Right, so it means x is equal to 0.2.